Hi guys, so in the last tutorial we learned how to create animations using the Flutter Animated Builder, and it would come out something like this. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to combine animations, and let's say you have two or more animations. So I'm just going to start by putting this attribute repeat then reverse equals to true. We wouldn't need the control forward statement because it will autoplay and reverse in that process as well, as you can see. Okay, so the next phase now is we are going to copy the variable for the animation that we have. So let's create a second animation value and we'll call it animation B. So by combining, we are going to use a twin. A twin is an interpolation between two values which are of the same type. Here we are using double, so they are both double values that we are twinning. Now, one thing it's more like putting keyframes for your animation to define when it starts or where it starts and where it will end, something like that. So we'll use a twin if you use twins if you want to combine those animations so that you can tell the program that it's going to start here, it's going to end here, it's going to repeat or something like that. Okay, so for the first animation, I put 2.0 times 3.14 because that's the closest we can get to getting a full rotation. This is the one which we are going to use for rotating as an animation. Then the second one is the scale one. So we'll then use that rotate. Then the angle will be the value of the animation A, which will be close to a full rotation, as we said. Then once we do this, it's done. We will run this program and you see it will rotate as it scales up, then scales down, rotate as well, and to go on like that, repeating. Okay, so this is how you can combine two animations in Flutter.